Hello friends, hope you're ready to help me destroy this target. So I found the US Navy pistol qualification, and we started a 3-yard line. We got 2 shots. We got 4 seconds to do it. So from the low ready, we're gonna, okay, here we go. 2 shots, 4 seconds to do it. We did that. Now we got 2 shots, reload, 2 more shots, and we got 10 seconds to do that. Okay, here we go. Reload, 2 more. Okay, we got 2 shots strong hand and 2 shots support hands. We got 8 seconds for that. No support hand. And we finished the first string. Now we move to the 7-yard line. We got 2 shots, 2 seconds to do 2 shots. Here we go. Now we got 2 more shots, we got 4 seconds. Now we got 2 shots, reload, 2 more shots, and we have 10 seconds to do that. Here we go. Reload. Okay. And now we have 2 shots strong hand, 2 shots support hands. We have 8 seconds for that. Let's see how well or terrible we do. Strong hand. Support hand. Okay. And now to the 15-yard line. We got 2 shots, 4 seconds, 2 shots. Okay, here we go. We got 2 more shots again, 4 seconds. Now we have 4 shots, 8 seconds to fire 4 shots. Okay. Now we got 4 shots, a reload, and 4 more shots. You get 20 seconds to do that. All right, 4 shots, reload, 4 shots, 20 seconds. Reload, 4 shots more. Okay. And now the last phase is going to be 8 shots kneeling. We got 20 seconds to do that. I have bad knees, so I'm going to be sitting down to do this last part. 8 shots, 20 seconds. There we go. Okay, let's take a look at the target. Very interesting. I do have one here, but that was not intentional. Everything else is all scattered. I'm not very happy about this, but it is what it is. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.